All right, guys. Well, I just wanted to show you a little product here. This is the Aenso Core. It's an interior cleaner and protector. I've been using a little bit of it, and it smells so good. It cleans nicely, and it doesn't darken up the interior too much. Very, very subtle, and as it dries, it kind of leaves it a matte finish again. Nice that you can use this on all the interior. You can put this on your screens and everything. I use it on the leather, and definitely on all the plastics inside. I don't know why, but I'm really liking this product here. Let me show you how it works, and I'm just happy I found this one. It's very cool. All right, so we got the Core. This is my wife's car, and obviously, you know, she gets lotion and all kinds of weird little skin products all over the car. But this stuff's good. I just kind of spray it on. You can spray it however you want. I don't know what lotion she uses, but it's always hard to get off. Guys, this just leaves a beautiful, nice finish. Looks good, smells good. I can't describe the smell, but some kind of, I don't want to say fruity, but some kind of sweet scent. Just a great product. Let's use it on some of the other parts. You can put this, I put it on the seats. Like I said, it just dries to a nice, you can't see that there, nice sheen. It's beautiful. I'll spray it on here. All right, guys, if you haven't tried this stuff, I suggest you get one bottle, try it out, see how you like it. It just cleans well. You can spray it on a towel, spray it on the panel, wipe it in. I walk right away from it. If you want to flip the towel and dry it, buff it off, that's fine too. It just dries to a nice matte finish. Smells good, does a fantastic job. Let me show you some of the interior and quick video. Just try this out, guys, try it out. Just makes everything look really nice. I do all the jams, do the top, the consoles, the seats. Same on that side. You can see I use both sides of the towel, but on the yellow side, a lot of the dirt it pulled off there, so it works really good at cleaning.